So if you're looking for an electric skateboard, maybe you're a beginner, maybe you're intermediate, you should really check out this one from Vokboard. This is amazing, and let me tell you all about it.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a coupon code to save you some money and a surprise link, so check it out. And I'm currently traveling in Michigan. I'm visiting my family, and I have this Vokboard that I've been using to take on rides all over and really put it to the test. And as you can see, it definitely has some wear and tear on it now. Like, I've really worked this board over. It is just so much fun to ride. Something I love to do when I just want to clear my head. Just go out for a cruise, man. This is just such a smooth ride. But looking at the board, it has a high quality deck, really strong and sturdy, giving a comfortable ride. It has flexible and adjustable trucks for carving and turning. And this belt motor will take you up to 20 miles and at speeds up to 28 miles per hour, which is very fast for this type of longboard. And for belt motors, it's really quiet. They also have nice guards for the belts, which will keep them lasting a lot longer. These wheels are hard street wheels, keeping you on the road and not letting you slide around. And I love how you can just roll this thing to start it up. You just give it a little bit of a push and it just turns on, and then you're ready to go. Just making it that much more convenient. This is a really great remote, and I love this hole for your fingers so you can just fit it right through, making it easier to hold and to control. You can control the acceleration and brake with this dial right here, and it gives you a display screen and shows you your speed, battery status, and direction. It does come with some tools for adjusting the trucks, the power cords, extra belts, grip tape cleaner, and this wall mount so you can hang this up on your wall. And right now you can actually pick this thing up under $500 with my discount code, which is a great price for a board like this. And this board also does come with a 6-month warranty. And when you're choosing the board, you can also add an option for their donut wheels, which I would recommend because it makes your street rides that much smoother. And as always on this channel, I'm not trying to get you to spend your money. I just want to show you what's out there, tell you how it rides, tell you how it works, and then tell you where to get it, and you can decide for yourself. But thanks so much for watching another video here on this channel. There's a lot more really cool products to share with you coming up and some really fun adventures, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.